I cut $520 from my monthly bills in 2 phone calls in one afternoon. Here's the exact script. Call your cable/internet provider. I'm considering canceling. What retention deals do you have? Call your car insurance and ask for a loyalty discount or better rate. Average result from both calls: $50 to $200 per month savings, 30 minutes total. Streaming services: cancel all, keep one, rotate quarterly. Gym membership: switch to $10 per month Planet Fitness or YouTube workouts. Cell phone: switch to Mint Mobile, $15 per MO, from $60 plus per month carrier. Refinance auto loan if rates dropped since you signed. Shop homeowners/renters insurance every 2 years. Review utilities. Programmable thermostat saves $180 per year average. Most households can cut $200 to $500 per month with these steps. That's $2,400 to $6,000 per year, back in your pocket, not theirs. Takes one Saturday to implement. Benefits last for years. Download my monthly bill tracker at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.